Hi, I'm Janet. Welcome to my channel. I was excited to get out of the house today because it's been raining for the past several days. There's been severe flooding around us, but we only had high winds. Today it was sunny and blue skies, but tomorrow they're calling for snow. I had the day off from work, so I wanted to get out and go look at the spring decor at TJ Maxx and HomeGoods. I have spring decor for my front porch. However, I wanted to find a few pieces for the house because I haven't been decorating inside. So I'm excited to show you what I found. TJ Maxx and HomeGoods have a lot of great items at reasonable prices. Today I'm looking for some wooden rabbits, new sponges for the kitchen, and possibly some new bedding for the bedroom if I can find some matching spring colors. I buy all my kitchen sponges at TJ Maxx. The Smart Design scrub sponges are my favorite. They are made from bamboo, odor resistant, dishwasher safe, and best of all, non-scratch. I've not seen the Scrub Daddy damp duster towels before. They must be new. At this price, I think I'll try them. I spy some wooden rabbits, just what I was looking for, but I want to continue looking before deciding on the ones I want to purchase. This set is just adorable and it keeps catching my eye. I just love this rabbit topiary. I hadn't thought about a paper mache rabbit. That one's kind of cute. Now that I've seen these pillows, I want some for the couch. Now let's check out HomeGoods. We'll see my haul after, and then I'll take you on a quick tour of our home. I love this lavender wreath. Which one do you like the best, and which one do you think I should purchase for my colorful front door? Leave your favorite one in the comments. I was thinking these woven rope eggs would look great on the coffee table. What do you think? I hadn't even thought about buying kitchen and bath hand towels. I'll probably return to buy some for the kitchen and bath. Let me know in the comments which ones you think I should buy after we take a tour of the house. I really like the kitchen towels on the left with the blue rabbits. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts for the bath hand towels. These are so super cute. This is my first time using the camera handheld, so I hope I do this right and I'm not too up in your face. I wanted to show you a few things that I bought at TJ Maxx. As you can see, I've changed clothes. The last video I shot for the TJ Maxx and HomeGoods haul, I shot it with my camera and realized I didn't have a stabilizer and I didn't want to make you throw up, so I'm reshooting this on my phone. But let's look at my TJ Maxx haul. I found these scrub sponges and I was able to find them in some cute spring colors. They came in pink and blue and lavender. And then I found these Scrub Daddy damp duster towels and they came in pink, blue, and yellow. I didn't buy the yellow. because I have the yellow scrub daddies. And then I found these adorable wooden rabbits for to add to my spring decor. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them inside or outside yet. And in addition to those rabbits, I found 2 other wooden bunnies, and it's a mama and a baby. My best find at HomeGoods was this 10-piece bedding set. It came with the sheets and the comforter, and the sheets is this floral print with purple and gray, so I hope it goes really well in the bedroom. The comforter is like a powdery blue, but it comes with this beaded piping, and it also has tassels. And it was a steal. It was normally $79, and I got all 10 pieces for $45. So now let's take a tour of the house. I'm sure most of you have seen the living room if you've watched any of my other videos, but if not, I'll give you a quick peek. As I've said in past videos, I have very eclectic taste. But this is the living room. And that's a portrait of my grandfather, Hayes Coe. He was the local blacksmith. And if you'll see, I found a city directory on one of my hauls at Grit and Grace. I hope you watched that video as well. And there's my wonderful ring light. And this is a picture of me and my childhood friends from elementary and junior high, and we're still friends to this day. This is our dining room, and Tom recently put up the chair rail for me. This is our dining room table, and there's the kitchen, and here's the buffet table that I redid all by myself, and it's in another video. I hope you watch it. As you can tell, I like a lot of beach stuff, and I try to incorporate it into the decor. There's our neighbor's house, Brandon, and he's single, ladies. This is our kitchen, and we hope to redo all the kitchen cabinets in the floor this summer, and you'll get to see that when we start that project. And that's our coffee bar. And I've never taken you into the laundry room, but this is our laundry room. And I hope to make this a spring project because I need to paint here. Tom tells me I have a bag habit. I'm not sure if I'm going to redo all this with cabinets or just paint this and freshen it up a little bit. Made this sign at a retreat. The refrigerator. More beach stuff. And now I wanted to show you one of my favorite parts of the house is this linen closet that Tom built in the hallway that was just wasted space. And I showcased it in another video. However, at the time we didn't have the puck lights. But this is one of my favorite areas of the house because I get to display all my beach items. And this is the hallway light. We call it the lamp. Don't mind the dust. And this is a picture that my brother Mark Pullen painted, and he was in several episodes of The Walking Dead, if you're a fan of The Walking Dead. And he was the artist sketching Rick as he came out of the shipping container. and then he got shot by Rick in the head. And this is her bedroom, and I'll do a video when we replace the bedding. And here's Lola. She had to have her another surgery because the stitches came over her ear. She's resting peacefully, but she's still not feeling well. But this is her bedroom. And I'm not very good with plants, so don't mind the dying plant. And I hope to find a height of track for the wires on the TV. And this is an armoire that I bought from a friend from high school who owns an antique booth. I love it. I'm thinking about painting it white this summer, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the knob that broke off. I'll probably end up replacing all the knobs. And I made the speech sign with a coworker at a church retreat. This used to be the laundry room, but Tom put up shiplap and the lights and these cabinets. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the countertop or change it out. But this is a nice little dressing area. And this is our closet. Although it's functional, Tom plans to build a closet organization system for me, because a girl can never have enough storage and closet space. And since this was the laundry room, it does still get quite chilly, and so I use the heater in the mornings, and then everything ends up on the floor that we don't have a space for. And this is our bathroom. As I mentioned in a previous video, we were trying to unclog the sink, and we put some caustic chemicals down the sink, and it melted the pipes, and we had to replace the sink, the drain, and the vanity and the floor. But this is our bathroom, and I need to clean it and freshen it up. More beach. And a project that Tom did a few summers ago was retiling the bathroom. It was his first time, but I think he did a great job. And all old houses have windows in the bathroom. Don't ask me why. And when he replaced the windows last summer, he broke that tile, so we hope to replace it soon. But that's the bathroom. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our home and that you'll join me in future videos where we'll be remodeling the kitchen, laundry room, and my closet, and we redecorate the porch for spring. Until then, live life and find what makes you happy.